Hello everyone, this is Doug Satran, and I am going to show you the steps that you need to follow to create a team meeting. So to start, oh, come on, this thing's in the way. I can't move this. Let me X out of that. You need to go into Calendar to create your meeting. Now I've created a couple meetings, so the next one I need to create is for April 1st. Now, if you create a recurring meeting, it'll be the same link for every single meeting, and it's been encouraged not to do that because then kids can go back and click a previous meeting and they would be unsupervised. Like you could have several kids that go in and talk while you're not there, and they encourage you to be in a meeting when the kids are there and to make sure that all kids have left before you end the meeting, and then to delete the link to the meeting when you're done from wherever you put the link, which I'll show you how to do. So I'm going to double click on April 1st. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a teacher support for 4-1. I don't have to invite attendees, but I do have to come to add an online meeting and change it to a Teams meeting. Okay, and the time is from 9 a.m. to 12. And then I'm going to save this. Okay, so now I have a meeting scheduled here. Oh, I can get rid of that. Funny, the test was going to be then. Then I go into, I'm going to X out of this, into Clever, and I go into Office 365. And I've already done this, but if you don't have Teams, you can click on All Apps, and then go find Teams. And when I go into Teams, in order to make sure that my teams are set up from in sync with my calendar, I go into Calendar, and I'm going to go to April 1st, and I'm going to click here. Now, when you're in here, you want to go into Meeting Options, and who can bypass the lobby? The lobby is, you're going to send a link to people from my entrusted, leave it as that. Everyone means that anyone that had your link, when they try to come in, they would be able to just come immediately into your meeting. If you leave it as this, then only the people who have your link can come directly in. Otherwise, if people try to come in, then you'll get a note that says someone's in the lobby and you have to accept them. And then who can present, and you should put it as only you. This is from a channel, so right now the functionality to assign more than one presenter is not available. And then I'm going to save it. Okay, so now I'm going to X out of this. And if you look a little bit further down, you now have this link down here. So I'm going to right click it, and I'm going to copy the link address. This is how I'm going to make kids aware of where the meeting is and how to get there. Now on my home page, I have created the top Microsoft Team video meetings. I'm going to edit this page. I'm going to type and say April 1 meeting. Click here to join our meeting. Now, this forces kids, since this is in Canvas, this forces kids to go into Canvas, and that is how their attendance is going to be taken. Once they log into Canvas, then they'll be noted as present for the day. So another good thing about putting this in one of your Canvas courses is an announcement or something. I'm doing it on my home page. You can put your links wherever you want. It will force kids to log into Canvas, and then they'll be counted as present. But I'm going to create a link by pressing this little link button. And I've already copied, so I'm going to do Control V and insert the link for this meeting. And now it's a hot button. I'm going to go down and save it. And so now you see each of these meetings has been created. Now I haven't started this meeting, so if I click here and say continue on this browser and say join Now, I wonder if it will even allow. So I'm in. And if I wanted to show participants, I'm in this meeting. I mean, technically, since this is an active link, if other kids clicked on that, they could go into that meeting. So what I really should be doing is creating this one day at a time, which I will probably do. I'm going to hang up and I'm going to close out of this. So what I really should do is I should probably put this on a page where kids can't find it. I'll show you how I would do that. So let me go to Pages. I'm going to open up another window, open up another canvas. Come on, let's go. It's taking such a long. Let me try that again. Yeah, it was just being temperamental. Okay, I'm going to go to Dashboard. I'm going to go into Reading. Brings me to my home page where all these links are. I'm going to go down to Pages. Now, I'm going to view all pages. I'm going to add a page and call this Team Meeting. Oops, up here. Team Meeting Links. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back to here. I'm going to copy these so that they're available. Copy. The links will copy and everything. And I'm going to paste them here. And then I'm going to save but not publish this. That means kids will never see this page. And the page is called Team Meetings Links. Save. I'm going to come back to this page, edit. And I'm going to go ahead, wait till this comes up because I always forget to do that. And then delete those. So now the only meeting link that kids will see is the Monday meeting link. But if I go into my pages, I'm in Pages and I view all pages. I have so many things in here. So I need to go find its alphabetical. Team meeting links. I'm going to edit this to make it easier for myself and call it a team meeting links. And there's my links. So what I would do tomorrow on Tuesday is I would copy this and go back to my home page. I would edit this and then I would delete that and paste the new team meeting date in there. That way kids will only see one meeting link a day. They will only be able to get into one meeting link at a time. And now hopefully that A brought it up to the top. And view all pages. A team meeting links. There it is. So then I can go in there. And if I want, I can just keep creating meetings for the next few weeks, create the links, and put them all on this page. And then I would have like several weeks of meetings set to go that I can just copy and paste into my homepage. I hope that was helpful. And if you have any questions, please let me know.